As the world's central bankers and finance ministers are meeting here in Washington, D.C. for the IMF-World Bank spring meetings, there's only one question on their minds. How badly will global trade be hit by the trade tariffs? And unsurprisingly, the IMF has drastically cut its growth outlook for this year and next, says the uncertainty with regards to forecasting has never been higher.
There is a huge amount of uncertainty in the global economy right now. So even for ourselves, in terms of figuring out where the global economy is going, we had to take a slightly different approach than we usually do. So instead of having a baseline around which we anchor our projections, which typically takes policy actions that are pretty firm, there's so much uncertainty going forward that we decided to have instead what we call a reference forecast. And we basically established that reference forecast based on all the policy announcements up to April 4th.
And central bankers, of course, have to be on their toes as well. The ECB's Christine Lagarde tells CNBC that central banks have to stay very flexible.
We have to be attentive to the developments of the relationships between the US, the rest of the world, the US and Europe. And we have seen very successive movements, announcement and then a pause and then some exceptions. So we have to be very attentive. We have to be agile in the way in which we respond. And that agility means that we have to be ready to take action.